Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate lights on 24 and newer Ford F-150 trucks. Let's get started. Our LED license plate lights for trucks and SUVs are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be significantly brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just have better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. This procedure is for 2024 and newer Ford F-150s. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. One thing to note before we begin, these license plate lights are side specific. So like you see the L right here, this will go on the driver's side. Make sure you take note of that before you begin installation. First thing we're gonna do is remove the OEM license plate assembly. We've got 3 tabs, 2 on the side and 1 on the bottom. Depress those to remove the assembly. Now that the OEM assembly is removed from the rear bumper, go ahead and take the bulb socket, turn it counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly, pull it out. Now remove the bulb from the socket itself. Now that the OEM assembly is removed, grab your Boost Auto LED license plate light assembly, pull out the connector and plug it in to the bulb socket. Either way works. Once it's connected, go ahead and put your socket back into the light assembly. It's keyed. Make sure to line up the tabs. Then twist clockwise, lock it in place. Now remember where your tabs are. Make sure that you insert this little notch in first. Once you've done that, lock it in place. All right, repeat that same process on the other license plate bulb assembly. So that about wraps it up for the installation of our LED license plate light assemblies on 24 and newer F-150s. If you like those license plate lights, head on over to boostauto.com to see all the other products we have to offer for your build today. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.